China's annual political gathering, known as Two Sessions, is currently underway in Beijing, showcasing the country's plans for the next 5 years. The event brings together China's top legislative and political advisory bodies, the National People's Congress, NPC, and the Chinese People's Political Consultative Conference, CPPCC, to discuss national policies, economic plans, and the international engagement for the year ahead. Marlon Samuels has more in this report.
China's Two Sessions highlight a strategic focus on economic growth and global cooperation, offering promising avenues for Jamaica and the Caribbean to bolster their development agendas through stronger partnerships with China. This year's sessions focus heavily on innovation, green development, and expanding international cooperation. China aims to accelerate its economic growth and deepen its global partnerships, especially in regions like the Caribbean and Latin America.
During the 15th five-year plan period, China will continue to steadily open up institutionally, uphold the multilateral trading system, expand the space for two-way investment, and advance high-quality Belt and Road cooperation. We will work with all countries to make the pie of development bigger, share opportunities with each other, and create a better future together. The MPC Standing Committee will work to make the foreign-related legal system more open and transparent, help foster a top-notch business environment that is market-oriented, law-based, and internationalized, and continually cement the legal foundation for high-standard opening up. China has a steadfast commitment to opening up as a basic national policy and a transparent, stable, and predictable policy environment. China was, is, and will be an ideal, secure, and promising destination for foreign investment.
For Jamaica and the wider Caribbean, these developments present significant opportunities. China has become a key partner in infrastructure, trade, and investment projects across the region. The two sessions signal China's continued commitment to economic diplomacy, which could translate into increased funding for projects such as transportation, renewable energy, and tourism development. It's a major step towards sustainable growth and independence for Jamaica and the Caribbean. It presents both opportunities and challenges. Experts believe that Jamaica and the Caribbean nations can benefit from strengthened trade relations and participation in China's Belt and Road Initiative, which aims to improve connectivity and economic integration across continents. Additionally, as China emphasizes sustainable development, Caribbean nations can explore collaborations in renewable energy and climate resilience efforts. I am Marlon Samuels, reporting from Beijing, China for PBCJ News.